If I quickly just talk to you about our program, we do have the May semester intake for our program. It is a 2-year accelerated program, and whilst Abby didn't mention too much about it, it is a very accelerated program, so it's quite busy. In case you mentioned, it can be a little bit challenging to work. Certainly those 48 hours every 2 weeks, I think, would be a challenge, but the benefit is that you would be finishing the degree in much quicker time. Our student teacher ratio, sometimes we have some big classes, but the ratio remains very tight. It's a strong priority for Bond to ensure that our students get access to the professors in the program and that they're able to contact them, come and knock on their door if they've got further questions after class, that sort of thing. And we do have a high number of international students, which we love because you bring a whole different set of experiences and often really great undergraduate learnings to bring into the program for physiotherapy. Bond is really proud to have been recently ranked as Australia's top university for teaching. So that's really built on the fact that our motto is students come first, and we're all about looking after the students' learning experiences so that when you graduate, in particular from our program as physios, and you move out onto placements and then obviously into jobs, that you have a very strong reputation as a Bond graduate. We have 2 campuses at Bond University. We have what we refer to as our varsity campus, which some people refer to as our main campus, which is the big campus. And then we have 2 buildings here side by side. One's a little bit chopped off, but most of our teaching is now in this new building, and it's got some amazing facilities, like just great experience opportunities for students with lots of simulation opportunities. Our PBLs are all run from here, and in the building next door, we have a very large physiotherapy lab in there as well. Our program, as Casey mentioned, has got research projects involved in it. And I'll share a little bit more with you in a moment about the types of research projects we have, but essentially we ask our students to take their learning experiences about research all the way through to developing a full manuscript. They work in small groups for that. And a lot of the students are presenting manuscripts to journals at the end for hopeful of publication, and also presenting them at a mini congress. So we know we get a lot of commentary back from our profession here in Australia and actually internationally from World Physio Congresses to say how impressive the Bond students are in terms of their ability to stand up and talk to their research and present that really clearly. So we're always proud of seeing our Bondies out at conferences, and some of them have turned out to be amazing big hitters in the research world as well, not just in the clinical space.